Hey guys, welcome back to Calgary Music Tutor. Today we're playing more track 6 in Alfred's Guitar Basic. So it's on page 9. So let's just get into it. First, let's just clap. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now let's play. It's like that. Let me just play it a little slower so you can hear it and so you can get it. So it goes like this. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.